Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just then get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today we want to talk about one of our sisters. She married to Ghana man, and she said this one of woman from Port Harcourt. This woman used about 13 to 16 years to senior her. Say the woman want try, the ones they try, you want don't scatter her home, and you want try to collect husband for her. Now Cotland say, I beg send me your picture, may I see the kind person where you be. Now very fine lady. I can say, how come woman like this want collect husband for your hand? You can say, me I see her. And the woman even senior the husband well, you understand. So before I start this matter, I just want to remember you guys about our new channel. We just open new channel, TDA News. We dey talk about Obodo Africa news and Obodo Igbo news. We dey combine them together. I will put the link down here. Just click on the link and just go watch our video there. And please also subscribe to that our channel also, and God bless you. So what really happened? This our sister saying she dey camp when this Ghana man come meet am. He say he like her, he love her, he want be with her. He say because he like the Ghana guy because the guy is good looking anyway. Say because okay, no problem. Say but as he come say me in the study, I say as he dey study, I say the guy harsh. He say he harsh not be small. He say this small thing, ito, it's a big beat. He say come say this guy so. He say before they say me he can make him say decide say this guy no. I no fit deal with her again. Belle don enter. He said I could tell the guy say he got saying go use the belle to scare the guy, you know. Say that the guy tell him say lala you need the pikin. He say hey, I ain't want to do it at one chance. He said the guy say if he comot the pikin, he go do and this, he go the next thing. The guy don't go report him for police people office. Say he get the pregnancy. Oh, he say he want comot and this, that and that. So he say that they come invite and say this guy don't come report you here. So wetin dey happen now? He explain say he really get belle for this guy, but he dey camp and he never get document, he never settle for life. Say he no fit just born pikin like that, and this guy never still marry am. Now the court say na true she talk, and dem no fit tell her say she must born the pikin. Na she get the right to decide whether she go born or no. He say so now the court tell am say if I talk say you wan remove am, make sure say you no use tablet, go to the right place, hospital, just do your thing jejeje. Now she can't say she here, you know. Now the Ghana boy come dey beg her. Now he can't try to talk to the Ghana guy. He can't tell am say make he no worry. Say it too harsh. Make he first see character. If he see say his character don't really change, then if another one enter, he go born the pikin. The Ghana guy come say okay, he can't agree, say he can't remove her. Say he can't really change. He can't dey nice, you know, they touch her, they pet her, you know. The guy can't really dey nice. So take can't last make they stay with her for house, make come up for camp. Since they not give her paper, make come house, he can't dey house. If they help his family back home, they help his mother and all that. The family like her, and the guy family too. He say he come from a very good family. They still like her too because he they talk to the family too. He say na so they can't do another belle can't enter. Already they promise the guy say if another one enter. He say na so he can't take born that one, this one when he can't born. So this second pregnancy can't born, he can't leave this one. So she can't born this second pregnancy. He said how she born this second pregnancy. He said they see they live fine, they happy. He said then this woman, this Port Harcourt woman come. He said when the woman come, he said if you see the woman gather. He said the woman come, the woman marry. Not be say she not marry. She marry Oyibo, you know. She na her husband even carry her from Africa come Europe. So they marry, they do marriage, they do everything. He said so the woman I can see make them as a family friend. Say like the way that they do things. He really love them, like them to be their family friends. So even the woman husband go they even they call this very lady my daughter, you know, because of the love and the unity wey dey within them. Now so they can't tell. He said before you know it dey happen, this woman any small thing, maybe woman to woman talk, if you tell this woman anything, this before you notice the apple, e don go land for where e husband dey. No, we women now we see the girl our small small secret wey we see dey keep. You know, not be everything we dey tell man, and even men too, they still get their small small secret wey dem dey keep. You say go just tell am say I see o for house o, see wetin dey happen, see. Before you know wetin dey happen, the woman go tell the man. So the thing come dey provoke the man come start again. He come start to dey as if they do am before. And if e don stop, you know, that those things, you know, say, but that's why you see say any man will be saying they always dey beat you, well, maybe they hear something outside. He say the man come start again, he come tire, he come say, he no even know say na this woman wey be the rat when they shop am, na see dey blow am. He say come dey say wetin dey happen. The man come start again, then come say he come call her mother for Nigeria. He come tell am say this man wey I married, this my Ghana husband, see the way he don dey behave to me o. He come dey complain to the mother, things dey know African mother na, they no know the way Europe be. He say she too stubborn, make e dey lis ten to the man, make e dey do this one. And you know say that him husband still dey do them well for Nigeria. If your husband dey do your family well for Nigeria, if you carry matter some family o, if you carry some matter go meet them, they will tell you say na you dey find trouble, you too dey find trouble, you too stubborn. But if the man no dey do them well, before you even make kpaka, they don tell you so yeah, go carry your bag comot for there. Wetin that man dey do say who it is say e be, carry your bag comot for there. You understand? So as he come dey complain to the mother even come dey follow am dey quarrel dey support the husband. He say if he tell the mother go even advise herself, say abeg go, if na so e dey beat you, leave am. He said the next thing the mother come go tell the husband say abeg if you wan beat am, no beat am for head o, beat am for body. Beat am for body, no beat am for head, make e no injure am. You fit beat am for body. He say na so he say e dey there when the woman the mother dey tell the husband for phone. He come say mama, na so dey settle matter. He say mama say you too stubborn, you too dey find trouble, as this man good reach, you know, because he dey give them food dey chop. And they don't know pains when their daughter they feel for Europe. They say Europe and Nigeria are the same thing. Anyway, he said now so he can't start to. He can't say this lady when they tell me this matter so. He said make I see talk this one when me want talk. So he said because he know say many people go talk say now by this time so when they beat her again so now she's supposed to come up for the marriage. Because of what she go talk for front to now make she say make I talk this one for year. Now cause say na truth, people go re-ask. Now say, why you not come out at that time when you say your mama don dey support her and the beating was too much for you that time? He say wetin make him not come out after him mama don tell the man say make he dey beat am for head, make he not beat am for body. He can call the mother. He can tell the mother say mama, now so that they settle matter. Why you go dey tell my husband like this? Instead of you to talk say no beat my pikin again. See what you dey talk. He say mama tell am say he too dey find trouble. He can tell him mama say for wetin you talk so make this man not come kill her one day. He not do for the marriage again. He wan comot. He say na there mama cut chain o. He say you need to see the way mama provoke. He say mama tell am say if you ever leave this Ghana man, if you leave this Ghana man wey dey put food for my table, if you leave this Ghana man wey dey put sugar for my mouth, he say go swear for her and life no go ever better for her enemy, not be her. He say come shock. Now come say so because of your mouth threats now you come stay make this man dey beat you. He say he know the kind mama wey he born her. He say the mama stubborn wey and the mama wetin he talk he go do am. He know the kind mama wey he born her, say he go swear for am. He know one mama swear for body. Now him make him consider manage the state. Now say but you take a very big risk. So my people, he say na so the man come dey do. He no know say na this Port Harcourt woman na dey for inside. He said so later because when they give her negative, she put in for appeal. The appeal come out negative. So now he can't go meet lawyer. Now lawyer come and say as he dey outside camp, so he come up for camp. Say they no give am document. He need to go back to camp so that they go give am documents. He said so now she can't go back. She with this her Ghana husband. The husband they work fine. They can't go back. The husband get documents. They can't come up for the rented apartment when they did. They can't go back to camp. They can't put them together. They can't see they there. dem no still give am document, na there another belle come enter. So now the guy come tell am say okay, since dem still give you negative again, make you kukuma yours comot go Germany, make you go born this pikin, make you just go do na papa level. So now he come say okay, as e dey go now dem come hold am for Benjo, yeah. He say dem come hold am for there. He say as dem hold am, he come dey there o. To comot na wahala, to stay, to go front na wahala, to come back na wahala. He say you come stuck for there. He no know wetin he wan do with pregnancy and the little child wey he still carry follow am with luggage. He say him and the husband still dey talk. He say he no know say this woman still dey inside the matter. The woman no even want make she even come back again, make e for sit, make im husband for sit and dey chop this woman apple. This woman no even come want any small thing, go just go tell the man. If he tell the woman, go call am how waka dey be na, how this dey be. If he just talk to the woman carry go tell the man. He go even put sugar, he go put maggi join am. So the thing come still dey cause quarrel for there. So he come say wetin he wan come back on do, because if he come back now, this man he go still start to dey beat her again, make him just dey there. He say one day the man just call am, he just dey talk to the man. Na there na the man phone just ring. Now the man say hold on, my phone dey ring. As he pick am, now they call am say her document don come out, make she come. There is not her document. They don grant her commission when she appeal. They don grant her appeal. Now she come dey appeal. So okay, for that reason she go come back. And so she come say come back. As she come back, they come say she have to stay for inside camp before they go protest the documents come out and all that. So she can't go camp, go stay. And you know say she don already get belle. At that time she can't take born that second pikin for inside camp. Now long story, I just dey try to cut am short. So after she born the pikin, they can't give her documents. Then the man come say make he come back home house. He can't come house. He can't dey stay with him husband for house. Before they stay with the husband for house, they still dey not be say the relationship be like that, because lies don too much. That woman don tell the man different thing. If he talk anything, go carry am go. Anything just talk, the woman go change am. Now say he wan go build house for Africa. Now say he wan open account for Africa. Now say he dey pack him money, dey use him money anyhow. He no dey follow am dey save. He no dey do this one. No, different story. And the thing come dey pump for the man head. The thing dey come dey make the man dey feel one kind. The man dey provoke at any minutes, any seconds like that. He say come see the bear and he come dey there. And already they remember wetin mama tell am. Mama say if he comot, say he go swear for am. That's why he come see the bear am. He say so he no know say na this woman, na she be the rat wey dey chop and dey blow am. He say so one day this woman come, he come sit down for with her. They just come dey put story, they talk. That woman come talk say this him husband sef, he walk his stick. He no even dey work well. He dey manage am ever since. He don tire he no fit again he dey find walking stick for her side he no fit again abeg you know anybody wey go just help him dey, you understand? He need walking stick He say come tell am say but you dey husband house. He say abeg forget husband, no be oyibo he marry. He say whether na oyibo, whether na black. He say na blood na dey flow for their body, all na the same thing. As far as say you dey husband house and this man, the way he take me as daughter, I come dey carry guy dey give you, he no fit do that kind thing. And if he still catch you with any guy, he go just go tell this oyibo man say see wetin you dey do. No do am for my eye because me dey my husband house. Me I no fit follow person wey dey waka, all those kind of kporokere waka. He say the woman come dey look am. I say that woman come tell am say okay na no problem. Na so you talk. He say yes o. Na so you no know say that word e get meaning. That woman come tell am say okay, you just dey talk like this because say your husband good. If like say your husband good the guy no know say na word na him dey find for him mouth o. He say na he come tell am say my husband dey try that's why say they beat me for that place, no go there. The man dey try well. He say he walk his stick na sugar cane. He say e dey sweet. He say if you see the walking stick, say you begin dey praise the husband walking stick. Say the woman come dey say see na so the woman talk na so they waka before you notice the apple, the woman come want make e taste that sugar cane walking stick. Na so he come take kolobi the man na so the man begin dey chop him apple. He said the way the country dey do. So tell this Port Harcourt woman come go see tell him own friend, another of his friends say man, if you see this Ghana man, he walking stick na sugar cane. na that the friend say no be only one go shop am o, he go shop too for inside the sugar cane o. Na that the friend abeg this platform una no come talk say Lady T too spoil abeg una. Na my shop people dey here, I hope una dey understand me na as the matter be na so I take dey talk am. He say so. Then that the friend come say that work is still sugar cane. He wan shop for inside o, he no go just leave you alone. He say before you notice the apple, two of them come dey drag Ghana man. They come dey drag am. Say he sabi. Who get husband no notice the apple? He say he come see the way they come dey behave. He come dey imagine say wetin come dey happen. He say especially that Port Harcourt woman for inside. If you come their house, you go know anybody wey be say e don dey your husband don dey shop him apple with the character you go know. One, you no go respect your husband again. Maybe if you dey talk to your husband dey put sir no go dey again. Do like you go come your bless say you just dey talk to your husband anyhow. You use that one tell no say something don dey happen for there. You come like say dey talk to your husband anyhow. And another thing again wey you tell no, maybe you just do small mistake for where your husband dey, she go bring the mistake come out. So even though say your husband don't notice that mistake, she go come bring the mistake come and say why you do like this now? Not be so village woman na like this that they do all those kind talk. You go know say something don dey happen for there. When be say they do pikin birthday, he say na so they not do am like this, na so they not do am like that. You know say something don dey go on for there with your any small thing go just know. You see na there go dey suspect, be na saying be person wey dey calculate, go dey suspect say the way this woman come take dey talk to the husband, not be so take dey talk to her, and the way take dey disgrace her for where the husband dey, that is go come dey make the husband dey feel say she dey inferior, na she na dey super. So he come dey feel am, now he come say okay, he know wetin he go do because this one don pass. Be careful. He say because even the white man wey the woman marry, the man sef he don dey notice, but he no wan just knock am for the woman eye. He come dey even dey tell the woman say the way you take dey follow this our daughter husband, make you no let our daughter come dey vex o, because the one na dey waka na be like say he say to say no, she no dey think like that. And na the oyibo sef he don dey see amala with the way do some for inside body, na make am talk like that. But since he never catch the red handed, he just use that one take put am say mind the way you dey follow this our daughter husband, because the daughter fit come dey vex. He say when he come dey notice am, he come say and everything when he come to dey tell this woman, if he tell this woman what, your husband go see vex, he go come house, he go dey vex, quarrel go dey. He say now one day he come carry your husband phone, he come type to the lady, and he come tell am say abeg just leave me alone, let me face my family, my wife and my beautiful kids, abeg just leave me alone. He say he come send the message with the man phone to the woman. And then the woman provoke wetin you talk? I no blame you because I give you my ample shop. Like say I don't give you my ample shop, you come dey talk like this. I no be evil woman, if not I know wetin I for do you, but I leave you for God. He said the woman come reply, all this time they tell you, so the text message she forward that to me. Now there na the man come, she come read, now there she come believe say he talk and say something dey really go home. And the man can't get to see the reply of that woman. And then the man provoke, why you go write that woman? Why you go touch my phone for that reason? Hospital. And this our sister go wake up. As he wake up for hospital, then she come feel like say now so she injured. I say this one not be injured. Now she come to say na her husband. As you just say na her husband, now no say the law wey Sabini put now, not be small. Before you know it dey happen. They don't go carry the man, carry all his document, because the man get document, the man dey work. They collect the man document for his hand, they seize am, so that he no fit fly away, come off for the country. You go come face the this thing wey you do. You come face am. They first seize the document. They leave am first, then they go meet the woman. So wetin you want do now? You want press charges? The woman come say he no want press charges. because he know the law wey dem just put. Then one policeman wey still be say the man still get good mind, na papa na him be. Then the man come dey tell am say, as you no press charges, so e good because na your husband and the father of your children, because if you press charges, no be wetin you think you go see again, you go see wetin far from wetin you think. He say na so. He say but till now they never give the man the document again. They still dey investigate the matter, but she no press charges against her husband. Now cause okay, right now how una come dey live for house now? He said they no dey talk to each other, but the man, he go come from work, he go cook him food, he go stay in home. Now one day police people call the man, they come say, okay, this situation now, how e come be, how you want am? Now the man say this woman no fit stay with am again for house, he wan go rent house for this woman for her side. Okay, if you can't go rent house for this woman for her side, no be say you wan carry that yele go to enter house, or you go carry a friend enter house. I no understand that part too. So my people, that made this our sister come. He say na the matter wey just dey grind need urgent answering. Abeg my people, if na voice records, abeg una send come voice record. Una take encourage this our sister. If na for the comment section too, she go see am. Abeg una send una voice record come. Wetin she go do for this kind matter? Because if this man just rent house for her, she don turn to single mother o. Let me say they don separate o, and the mama say go swear o. And if this man rent house for her, they no dey again short. He go carry one of those two, whether he carry the one ye Port Harcourt come, or her friends, one inside the two, then he go carry come house. So my people, how una see this matter? Which encouragement una get for our sister? Because na wetin just dey bother her, then she come talk o. Abeg make una not forget to leave voice record for our sister. And I go leave this matter for here. Just leave your opinion, wetin you think. If na you dey that position, wetin you go do, the best solution to it. And meanwhile, I wan do another topic for that Savini law, because many women they don dey pass their line because of that law. Before, this Italian country na country wey be say husband and wife dey fit stay, you understand? Women no dey quick cry come out because of that law. Now our women don take am pass boundary. They just come dey do wanga. Anyhow, I go do the video after this one. Me I no attach two things together. Mo fit leave that topic now. So abeg, I just leave comment and voice recording for this our sister. And I wan use this opportunity to tell you, when they watch me right now, if you get anything wey dey bother you for mind, wetin don happen when e be say the thing dey bother you, you no know, you wan tell, you don't know how to go about it. They say a problem, say it's a problem half solved. So our platform is there here for you, and our number dey down below. And just call us and tell us your anything, then we will answer you. I thank you so much for coming around. Thank you for watching. God bless you. I remain your true dreams, your Lady T, your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me, I did there for you. Thank you guys. Bye. I'm all